The least common denominator. Applying easy steps. Step 1. Look at the bigger denominator. If the bigger denominator is divisible or can be divided by the other denominators exactly without remainder, then let it be your LCD. In this example, 12 is the biggest denominator. 12 is divisible by 4 and 6. So don't look for another number. Let 12 be your LCD. Step 2. If the bigger or biggest denominator is not divisible by the other denominators, start multiplying it by 2, 3, 4 or more until you come up with a number divisible by all the denominators. In this example, 8 is the biggest denominator. 8 is divisible by 4 but not divisible by 6. So we will apply step 2. Multiply 8 by 2, product is 16. 16 is divisible by 4 but not by 6. So continue. 8 times 3, we have 24. 24 is now divisible by 6 and 4. So let this be your LCD. Step 3. If the denominators are subsequent numbers like 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8, 9, or prime numbers like 3, 5, 7, 11, 7, and 13, just multiply all the numbers. The product will be your LCD. In this example, the denominators are 3 and 4. Multiply 3 times 4, you have 12. 12 will be your LCD.